of car wheel. Oh, that's true. We need to go inside. Whoa. Why do we need the sticks out? Like a car goes here too.
Yeah, a tractor.
Go here.
It was a tractor.
Sammy, you go here, and I'll go here. I'll follow the tractor. No, okay, I'll go here then. Daddy, can you see where the tractor is?
It's not at this place. It's at a different one.
Oh, but I'm just following the track. I'm pretending it's horse too, so I can follow the power. I'm going all the way here, where the tractor is. All the way down. All the way Me too. Me too. Whoa! Come on, Daddy.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hi, Daddy.
Bye.
Come on, Daddy.
Okay. Uh-oh.
What? Oh, he wasn't even on any trips on some sticks. It's a little he tripped on the stick. Do you see it?
It's okay.
He's tripped on the stick. My shoes are getting dirty. Aren't you? Daddy, did you hear that?
Yeah.
I threw a stick and it made noise.
Wow.
I threw it all the way to the bottom of that sewer.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
To the sewers.
That's so crazy. Oh, he's going to fall again. Oh, he fell. That's okay, because we're at the farm, right? Huh? This is the forest.
Left or right?
Straight. Left. How about, yeah, left.
Not ready.
Oh.
Go left. Okay. Follow the trail tracks. I am. Okay. You're the boss. No, the trail tracks are the boss. You're following it. Oh no. That's okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, because the mud will get out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, even because I have boots.
All right.
Yeah, even I should have get some boots because if I got shoes, the dirt would go inside
Right.
shoes, my pretty shoes
Right.
that I like. So that's why I use some
What is it?
water. Orange. It's the water where you have to put pennies in there. You have to make a wish inside them. Oh no. That's okay. Don't fall. No, you're going to get inside some real mud. Are you sure you really want to go in mud? Whoa, go mud. Whoa. See this? I don't think it happens. Oh, gee. Daddy, I can go over it. Do you want me to?
Oh, wait. He's getting his feet wet.
Can I go over it? Me too.
Oh, no. No feet. No feet. No. Cold. No. Cold. Oh,
Can I go
man.
over it?
If you want to.
I do.
But Chloe's the only one that has boots on.
Well,
You're going to get your feet wet. Oh, no. Baby brother got his feet wet. Oh, no.
that's okay.
Mommy will get mad.
I ain't gonna put my things up.
You're going to get your socks wet and then your feet are going to get cold.
Well,
You want me to carry you across?
yeah. Wait after.
Okay, come here.
And put me down when we're in there.
Okay. Okay.
Daddy, I need to put my shoes down.
I think Aldo might be lost.
Daddy, wait.
Okay.
Daddy, can I go in this puddle?
No, I don't want you to get dirty.
No, this little puddle. Red puddle. I can't wait to see this.
The tractor's on a different... Oh, no, baby brother. No, no, no. You're getting way too dirty. Come here. Nana's going to be so mad. Nana's going to be so mad at me. We're going to be in trouble.
Oh, no. Oh, even it's sticky mud. Sticky mud.
What were you doing that for? You got dirty?
Oh, dirty.
Mud?
My chair. Oh, my butt is hurt. Oh, my. Oh, that's in my puddle. Okay, and this.
Your puddle?
I don't want to go inside this. Help me! I'm sinking.
It's quicksand, I think.
Why is it mud? It's actually mud.
I think we should go back to the car now. I think we should go back to the car now.
Are you serious?
Because we've gone on a long hike already.
Yeah, but what about Aldo?
I don't know, we gotta go find him.
And now I'm going to wear these boots inside the car.
I know, you are. And baby brother's feet are wet.
And my...
And Nana's gonna be like, what happened?
Me, look, Daddy, look.
Oh yeah, they're muddy. It's muddy here.